Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new or just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Please like this video. It's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. Everything that I share on this channel, the information, strategies, robots and things like that, is all for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Go through the blogs, links are in the description, and see if you can find anything that you're looking for. Again, everything is free of charge. If it's not there, come back and leave a comment in the comments box below with your request, and I'll try my best to find what you're looking for. Okay, so let's get into today's topic, which is automated trading, forex robots. Somebody asked in one of the videos, do forex trading robots work? Do they work? The short answer is yes. The long answer is they are a tool. They are just like fire. You can use the fire to warm the child, or you can use the fire to burn the child. So you need to strike a balance. So forex robots do work, and there are some good ones out there, because need to be tested. Don't just fall into the marketing, into the hype. Test it for yourself, or perhaps try and see if the person who is selling the robot can give you a trial before you can buy a full license, so that you can test it out for yourself and see if it works as advertised, because there are a lot of scammers out there just selling people rubbish forex robots. So it doesn't mean though that there are no good trading robots. There are, and you can make money with them. A lot of people are using them anyway. Thousands of traders are using forex robots every day. So there are forex robots that do work. I think so. First step is you need to find a forex robot that works. If it's being sold by somebody, because most of us are not good with coding, with programming, so most of us are going to be buying them anyways. You need to find somebody who is reliable, with a robot that's proven, with a track record. And like I said, if it's possible, that person must give you a trial version before you can buy the full license. Many of them do. They can give you maybe a robot that works only on, say, Euro USD for 30 days. And after that, after you test it out, and if you are happy, then you can go on and buy the full robot, which will be able to trade all the pairs and will give you unlimited access. On top of that, you also need to have somebody who is on top of their customer service, because when these robots go haywire, you need to be able to talk to the person. So not a person who just takes your money and runs away and doesn't respond to your emails or messages and things like that. And you also need to understand the system behind the robot. Some use Fibonacci, some use moving average crosses and things like that. So you need to understand the system that the robot is using. With that, you can go ahead and do it and purchase the robot. There are many good robots. You just need to find the good ones and not fall for the hype and marketing from the guys selling the bad ones. Then obviously you need to test it out. Testing it out also needs to show you what lot size is right for the robots. Personally, when I'm trading with robots, I try to limit them to lot size 0.01. I do not go beyond that, because the robots is a double-edged sword. If you are greedy, Of course, it might make you lots of money today. Tomorrow you make a mistake and you blow your account because you are greedy. So you need to have a standard lot size. My standard lot size with Forex Robots is 0.01. I don't compromise on that. Whether it's making money or it's losing money, at least I know it's a manageable standard lot size, because nobody wants a margin call from trading with robots. Sometimes the robots, they come with automatic lot sizing, and then they get into things like martingale, and personally I don't like those systems where if say a robot sells 0.01 and that trade is a loss, the next trade it takes 0.02 and it loses, and it doubles that to 0.04, it loses, doubles to 0.08, so as to try and recover the losses. I don't like the martingale robots, and so I try to stay away from that. I only want robots that trade a standard lot size that I set, not lot sizing that it just comes up with. That's a way to lose money. Then you need to choose the right currency pairs. The robots usually do well with certain pairs. For example, highly volatile pairs like GBP, JPY. Many robots will lose money with those ones, because robots usually prefer ranging markets. Often robots cannot tell when a trend has changed, so they usually work well with ranging markets that are moving slowly and are not just whipsawing and things like that. So you need to determine your currency pairs. That's if you want to succeed with your robot. So avoid the highly volatile pairs unless it's a clear set trend. Still, I wouldn't go for the highly volatile pairs, and determine a clear range or a clear trend before plugging the robot. Which is also the next point, is you need to know the rules for that robot so that you can use it correctly. So the person who sells you the robot, they need to tell you exactly how you need to use that robot. For example, some people will tell you that their robot only trades London session or New York session. So if you plug that robot in Asian session, you are going to lose money, because that robot was only meant for London session or New York session and cannot trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Then there is a problem that people usually do with robots. Usually people jump from one robot to the next. They don't give the robots enough time to grow. So when you're testing these robots, you need to allow them time to grow or to confirm that they don't work. So say trade one robot, test it out for a whole month. You test it out for a whole month and see how it performs. Not test one robot today, tomorrow morning you are testing another robot, the next day you are onto another robot. If you get what I mean. So you need to give them enough time to show you whether they have potential or whether they do not work. Then remember to always also keep trading manually, because robots are a tool, and sometimes people forget to train themselves because they're just thinking this robot is going to come in and make them money. You also need to sharpen your trading skills so that you can even tweak the robot yourself when you see that the robot is missing opportunities or is behaving the way you do not want it to do. So you can tweak how you use it. For example, you can be able to identify trends or ranges by yourself before plugging the robot so that it trades what you have identified. You can only do that when you are also manually trading and sharpening your skills. Then you also need to try different brokers. Some brokers, for some reason or the other, robots just don't work, or probably you find a robot that works on one broker and does not work with other broker. So if you just test that robot with that particular broker, you would think this robot is trash, it doesn't work and things like that. Whereas people are using the same robot to make money on another different broker. So the person who developed and is selling that robot should be able to also tell you these things. So do Forex robots work? Yeah, they do. Forex robots automated trading, it does work, and people are making money from trading robots. There are many people making money with their robots. You just need to know the robot that you are using, the rules around it, and what it does. Follow the rules and you can make money with automated trading. Okay guys, like the video, leave a comment in the comments box below, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.